Was that too scary for you? Oh. What's so? She didn't like that one. Sign that Declaration of Independence.
Yeah!
Yeah, John Hancock. Yeah, Thomas Jefferson. Happy 4th of July, guys. We are barbecuing, which we already ate some of, and now we got the fireworks. So we're gonna explode some fireworks. Of course, you gotta have fire. So we're gonna, we went down to the stand today and we got all, Mike got some fun stuff. We got all these to blast off tonight, so that should be fun. The kids like doing snaps, so they're doing snaps and smoke bombs and sparklers and all those cute little things. Are those fun?
Yeah!
You like that?
I like noisy.
It was kind of noisy?
Like you did pop, pop, pop.
Pop,
Like I
pop,
feel
pop.
like-
There you go.
Look, buddy.
Look, it's growing like a snake.
Holy cow. Look at that.
Yeah,
Wow.
Look, Amelia, yeah.
the semen's pooping.
That's what it looks like.
Man, that's huge. Look at that.
We're gonna call these Senate turds.
A GoPro?
Really? You gonna put it right there?
Uh-huh. Are you ready?
No.
Woo!
Oh, here it comes.
There's 2 of them. You want a parachute? Was that too scary for you? Oh. What's so? It's over.
They're not hot, are they?
Oh,
yeah, they are.
Here, I'll let you take them. She didn't like that one.
Oh,
You want to do more snappers, bud?
well, do these make a noise?
They're the ones you throw on the ground.
And they go like,
You want to do those?
Yeah.
You already did like 5 boxes of them. You can do another one.
Oh.
Oh, okay. You need me to open it for you? Yeah. Okay, here, let me see it.
Because I know my other one got lost.
Oh. Let's go. Good job. What happened, Kate?
what happened? Like,
Huh? What happened?
well, now you'll be less explosive.
You doing an interpretive sparkler dance?
Yeah.
I love it.
One of your show choir routines.
Pick up the parachutes and we'll get ice cream.
Picking up the parachute. Picking up the yucky loud parachute.
All right, ice cream time. Ice cream. Ice cream. Is that good?
Yes, with chocolate. Not
You with chocolate? You didn't like yours?
Yes, I
That-
did. It's not good. The water squirted at me.
Oh, the water squirting at you?
The water squirting at me.
Oh, it is? It reached all the way over here?
No!
Ah. I'm glad you like your ice cream.
I tried the gun, but it was too big chunk dumpy.
It was too big, chunky, dumpy.
Yeah.
I hate when it's too chunky, dumpy.
No, the water in the gun.
Oh.
The water in the gun.
Oh, and the big water gun?
In the big water
Yeah,
gun.
the big water gun.
I know
They're all
those
gonna
are
be
going
noisy.
to scream and those are going to be really noisy.
Yeah.
We might
Work up to that.
work up to that.
That's going to
Flaming
be some
balls.
What
launcher.
about color sky?
A dash of purple.
Let's try that.
Not terrible.
Yeah, famous last
Like,
word.
you know,
Oh, look, it's not loud.
it's not even loud.
It's probably going to whip before it's
Is that cool? It's like a fountain, a fire fountain.
Oh, colors.
Wow!
Is that neat?
Okay, there's no purple in there.
Oh my goodness.
Did you like it?
Yeah!
Yeah.
I loved it.
Well, there was no purple on that.
No, there wasn't.
Even a
Did you like it, bud? All right. Let's do another one. Bob, what do you think about that one?
Cool!
You liked it? Ready? Here's the next one.
A loud one?
I don't know. You think it's gonna be loud? We're about to find out.
No!
Just a little fountain. Oh, oh, whoa. Hey-oh. Hey, hey, hey. Yay! Happy 4th of July! Yay!
Happy 4th of July! Happy 4th of July!
Okay.
Happy 4th of July!
Hey, do you like the fireworks?
Yeah, but not the cannon.
Not the cannons? Are they too big?
Yeah. I think he's doing that cannon.
You think he's doing a cannon? We had to come inside because he doesn't like how loud they are. But that's okay, huh?
Yeah.
You know what we're gonna do? What are we gonna do?
Eat a cookie!
Eat a cookie!
Dad, I want my own cookie.
Well, look, we're gonna break it in half
Oh.
so we can share. Look, I'll even give you the big piece.
And you get the
And I'll get the small piece. Happy 4th of July, bud.
Happy 4th of July!
Yay! Why do we celebrate the 4th of July?
Oh no.
Because it's America's independence. We told the British we don't want to be a part of their country anymore, and we started our own country.
Yeah.
Yeah! 'Cause we're America!
So it's the 4th of July.
The 4th of July! Yay! We declared our independence from Great Britain.
Yeah.
Yeah! We're our own country, the United States of America. Yeah! High five! Yeah! Sign that Declaration of Independence!
Yeah.
Yeah! John Hancock! Yeah! Thomas Jefferson! Yeah! Oh, a fist bump? George Washington! Yeah! Who else is in there?
Oh no.
James Madison! Yeah!
Hello.
Benjamin Franklin!
Yeah.
Yeah! Alright!
Hello.
The Bill of Rights!
And
We have the right to freedom of speech!
who else?
And the right to bear arms! Yeah!
And who else?
Who else? Well, now we're going through our rights, bud. Is that great? Yeah! High five on America! Yeah! Founding fathers.
I wanted to do one that was big.
Okay. Founding fathers for the win! Yeah! All right.
Let's go read a book.
Okay, let's go read a book.
Actually,
So we're gonna be inside for a little bit, I guess. All right, guys, I'm going back out. Krista's switched places with me. Amelia came inside too. We were doing some Snapchat, and Krista said the neighbors brought their big cannons out. Sounds like a war zone out here. Does that look cool?
Where's that thing pointing? Upward?
Yeah. Woo, that was loud. Oh. Woo, that was loud. That first one make your ears ring?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I knew better. I thought I could get it.
Yeah.
Yeah, hold my beer and watch this.
Right, right.
One of those moments. I think I'll just do one at a time.
Well, you're learning your lesson. guys, the neighbors got the real deal. Y'all are about to see some awesome fireworks. Oh, two at the same time didn't happen.